Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be assembling our pink vulture. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing B, our base, C, our coupling, and D, our piston. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing parts A, E, F, our bolts, G, the washers, as well as our Allen key which is provided. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When installing parts E onto A, please ensure you follow the arrow for the front facing side, like this. Let's continue to install. For our last step, we'll be taking our two previous assemblies and attaching them to each other. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our pink vulture. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and products. Thank you.